With my gifts of writing and performing, making connections, bringing out potential, and shaping environments, I'm here to get to the heart of the matter for the purpose of helping myself and others lead a more connected, meaningful, and exciting life. My name is Alicia Carter, and I'm the Wellness Director for Gateway to Prevention and Recovery.
With my gifts of seeing the big picture, empowering others, analyzing information, and moving physically, I am here to make connections for the benefit of the people with whom I'm sharing life moments. My name's Nikki Waters. I live here in Shawnee. I work at Shawnee Milling Company, and I'm also involved with Gateway in the mentoring program and the wellness and recovery team.
Sharing your purpose statement with the sounding board of friends is healthy. Just as artists, musicians, and athletes know it takes practice to achieve their goals, we must practice applying our gifts in service to live on purpose.
Why purpose? Why now? Why me? Many people today hunger for meaning, and they feel a yearning to discover and do what matters. With my gifts of selling intangibles, solving problems, bringing out potential, facilitating change, I am here to empower others for the benefit of fostering and encouraging personal, spiritual, and professional growth in my friends, family, co-workers, and self so we can live a life of God-filled joy. My name is Rachel Milo, and I'm the Community Program Director of the Blue Zones Project of Pottawatomie County.
Individuals who are in the early stages of recovery from addictions and other mental health conditions may find themselves disconnected from relationships and the community in general. They, like many of us, begin asking themselves, who am I? Why am I here? What difference does my life make?
When we have answers to these questions and have a clear sense, we have more meaning to our life and our daily work. Locally, Gateway to Prevention and Recovery and the Blue Zones Project felt it imperative that the people recovering from addictions and other health conditions had multiple opportunities to uncover or rediscover their own individual sense of belonging and purpose.
Through the Blue Zones Project's purpose workshops, people in recovery explore how their strengths, talents, abilities, struggles, and even trauma are a part of their lifelong process of discovering their purpose.
My name is Melissa High. With my gifts of healing wounds, awakening spirits, facilitating change, building relationships, I am here to right things for the benefit of bringing positive changes to everyone I encounter.
Understanding the life spiral helps individuals discover or renew their purpose so they are able to take stock when life shifts and then take charge in order to move forward. The life spiral is very familiar to those in recovery, and as a mentor, I think it's important to show that I too struggle, and it's a myth that some people have it all together. Through my relationships, such as with my mentee, we can intentionally connect during those life challenges and encourage one another through those changes.
Through the purpose workshops, we are able to better understand our life journey, reflect on the past, and anticipate the future to help live a life with greater intention and clarity.
We are living on purpose when we are using our gifts, doing what we love. After completing an exercise that helps uncover and name their gifts, participants of the Purpose Workshop are able to write a purpose statement.
With my gifts of awakening spirits, building relationships, making connections, bringing out potential, and bringing joy, I am here to awaken spirits for the benefit of helping people reach their full potential.
Well, before the Purpose Workshop, I didn't think my life had purpose. So after the Purpose Workshop, I realized all my goals and the things I wanted to do in life, and it gave my life some meaning.
Reading the purpose statement to a supportive group allows individuals to come into their power and find where they fit and where they can contribute. And not just where they can contribute, but realizing what they are already contributing to the community they're in, to the people that are around them. In one of the workshops that I attended, an individual was sharing what their purpose was. And it was more of a question of, is this right? I don't really see how this fits. And a large group of people chimed in and just really affirmed him in what those strengths were and how he was already contributing, giving really specific examples. And so it was a really positive moment because you could see that they're already a supportive group, encouraging one another. And I got to see that next step of sharing the purpose with a supportive group and getting that accountability.
After I wrote my statement down, and then after I shared it with a group of my really close friends, it gave me inspiration and motivation to dig deeper into my dreams and get out there and make decisions to make them happen. I was then motivated to reach out to a publishing company and get my book into their hands, and now it is on its way to being published.
Having a sense of purpose fuels overall vitality. Together with the Blue Zones projects, we are able to connect our clients with a sense of purpose, a plan to live out their purpose to serve others, and an overall healthier community.
Together, by offering workshops to people in recovery and wellness programs, we are improving everyone in our community. On purpose, we will live better, longer lives.